What's going on, guys? All right, so I finally, after 5 days, I finished the Honda Civic Type R, 2018 Type R, wrapped in vivid gloss Riviera blue. I will post a link to this color in the description below. Now let's go have a look at it. This car was white, and I actually never want to see one of these ever again. All right, that is 100% guaranteed. All right, so what we have going on here, we have an inlay, an inlay, and an inlay. All right, another inlay right here going up all the way through. So I cut it here, and I cut it here, and I fold these tabs over, this one as well, and then I put another inlay right in there. Tell me if you can see the seams. I can't even see them when I'm looking at it in person right now. Came out pretty tight, I gotta say. So that is how you do that bumper. Of course, you apply knifeless tape to each one of those areas. All right, so, oh yes, and I have an inlay on the very underside as well, running across up to the top here. All right, that's it though, on each side. Same thing on each side. Mirror is done in 2 pieces, of course. I am gonna show you this car outside. This car is also ceramic coated. So you can see, can you see the seam? I can't see the seam. It's actually right there. So this car is ceramic coated, a ton of work. Like, I've taken apart this car 4 times now, and I'm telling you, it's definitely old. I don't want to do it again. There's like, I mean, compared to most cars, there's like quadruple the amount of pieces. So I'm going to bring, like I said, I'm going to bring this outside so you can actually kind of catch it in the light. The sun is setting soon. Rear bumper is 1 piece all the way through. All right, it's pretty straightforward. It's really not that bad. It still takes a while to wrap, don't get me wrong. It's taking it off. I took out all the vents and all that fun stuff over there. The gas cap can't be removed, which is a huge pain. So I'm able to wrap in there pretty good. What I have to do is I have to mask off the gas cap. Big pain to get it in there a little bit further, but again, that's how you got to do it. Spoiler, another fun part of this vehicle is the spoiler. So I have a seam running right down here, all the way around, all the way through. So I did the inside piece first and the outside piece second. So you can't even see the seam. It actually meets right there. I don't know if you can see it. Roof is wrapped in Avery gloss black. The spoiler already comes gloss black. So does that little thing down there. It comes gloss black. We debadged the Civic. That's off. What else? Type R is on. What else we got going on here? Everything's tight. It's holding up really, really nice. The color looks great on it. Actually, I love it. As far as colors go, it looks pretty amazing. One of very few in this color for sure. Look how it transitions from light to dark, just because the inside outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull this car outside. Here's some bird poop on the side skirt. I couldn't wash it off. I don't know why I couldn't get it off. So hopefully he can get it off himself. The stuff that I have here wasn't taking it off. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down and we're gonna bring it outside. I'm trying to find a spot for the camera. All right, and then I'm gonna come back and get the camera. Key. Oh, that's great. I put the key down. Got it. All right. So let's get this bad boy outside. 6-speed manual, of course. It's the only way to get it. Alright, my battery died. Awesome. So I had to switch it. So I parked it all the way over here so we can have a good look at it. So this is the Vivid's Gloss Riviera Blue. This is about as much sunlight as we have right now. Unfortunately, the sun is setting soon. So it looks super, super awesome out here. There aren't many 2018 Civic Type Rs in this color. everything. This car was white. Remember, it was white. Ain't no white to be seen other than in the engine bay, but I'm not wrapping in the engine bay. Let's check out the seams out here. Good, can you see them? Is that listening? No, it's fine. All right. This side, it's even darker over here, probably won't see much. So again, inlay, 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 knifeless tape them all, and then I have another piece here all the way up, and I cut tabs, so I fold these tabs in, and then I have a piece right in the corner right there, and that's it. So kind of walk around, do a full 360. Beautiful. All right, so the next person who wants this car wrapped, it's going to be $10,000 for a regular color, because I'm not doing another one for a long time, very long time, not until like 2020. I'm not even joking. So those of you, I guess those of you who've had your Civic Type R wrapped, lucky you, because I'm through with it. It was a lot of work. It's 5 full days of work. I wasn't messing around. I've been here 8 to 10, 11, 12 hours even every day and getting it done. Guys, let me know what you think about the car. I think it looks phenomenal. Don't forget about the, I have a disassembly channel. So in order for you to see how I got some of those pieces off on that car, what you gotta do is you gotta click on CK Wraps Vehicle Disassembly, and that's what I have as far as taking parts off the car goes. So I'll document all of that, or most of it, whatever I can. I'm not going to skimp out on my videos, my wrap videos. I did do more today, so I will stay on top of both. And just thought I'd separate the two because it made sense, and everyone's asking how they take apart the car. So it's helpful to be able to take apart the car, because I always take apart the car. It makes it a huge difference when we're wrapping a blue over a white, let's say, or a red over a green, or whatever it might be. But anyways, it makes a huge difference taking apart the car. As you can see, the car looks outstanding. Guys, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, don't forget, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. Take care.